So what's up YouTube, this is Clever Idiot and today I'm giving review of Mi Band HRX edition after using it for 1 month. I'm using this for 1 month. You can see this. Now we unbox it. It comes with a 28-minute calories, battery, time, step, meter, how much meter you have walked or run. This is a band. It comes with a, this doesn't matter for us, and this is the charging cable in which it connects. This is how we connect and put it in the charger and it charges. It's now 96 approx battery. Yeah, it's 96 and I'm using it from past 4 days and I completed it 200. But talk to this, it is a really good band I think, but it doesn't have any heartbeat sensor, so you can see that it is a good band. Comment I say you can buy this, but there is a problem in this that Mi Band 3 is also coming. Nowadays I am late in giving review. Mi Band 3 is also coming, so please don't buy this. Go for Mi Band 3. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.